Alright, in this tutorial we're here to show you how to create a new page or how to create a post, but basically creating a page is quite similar to creating a post. All you need to go to is to the page tab, and there's one on top says add new. So again, this is just for editors who want to add a new page into the website. We'll show you how to add it into a menu by different tutorial, but covered by William and by Navigations, I believe. But this is just how to structure the website by using a Veda tool. So let's give it a title first. Let's say test page. So this is the default by WordPress. We don't need to use that. We will need to use edit with Fusion Builder. Now I'll ask you to create a container or pre-build this. I would recommend just create a container and select the type of column you want. So again, with containers, they're basically it's important to create different containers depending on that content of each. So let's say you have one container as headers, second container as the body, and third container as probably just footer or some information not really covered by the body. So there's different columns you can add on. At this stage, being a header, we can probably keep it as a simple header. Or create another one. Well, I recommend using these or these. This pretty much centralizes then the text player and gives it spaces in the sides. So when it goes to mobile apps or tablets, it doesn't. The whole text doesn't go all the way to the sides. So let's say this. Right, so headers. It really depends how you structure it again. So you don't have to follow what this structure I'm doing. So if you want to create or change the color of a header or the background, you just need to add the edit content settings here and go to background. Select the color you wish to add, and that's pretty much it. Or if you want, you can also add a background. So let's add a background image of, yeah, it's already this. Just press insert into page. And to make this the whole header, I'll require to go to general and press yes. Reason why I want this is better as yes as if that header has no information besides a background image, it will not show up or only show half or even quarter of that image we added on. So it's important to get 100% height and just press save. You can add elements, say title blocks if needed to, or images, but yeah, it's up to you again. So this is the structure, the body. So you can also create a text block. So let's say this is the body, this the body, and you can edit this again by having a headers and such. So what text box is like a Word document where you can type information or whatever words you want to add into, and you can structure it as easily as using WordPress Word documents. So like this, we can change the headers, or if you want to have dot points, we can dot 1, dot 2, or dot 2, dot 3, and dot 4. You can also numberize, use numbers, or use quotation marks as well, or spacing. Basic. In this, you can also add in more elements from Veda, but I would not recommend this, as basically once you add it on, and if you wish to edit that certain element, it's impossible. For example, want to add on an image, going this way, insert the page, insert, and save. It will show, however, oh wait, I put the wrong image or thing. You cannot edit, like I said. It's gonna be hard. So best thing to do is just remove that. To add images, use add media, or if you want, just create element and add the element under separately. Again, you can also use two different ones if you want to have a text block there, an element in between that cannot be added on, and then add another element down there. So let's remove that. So element text block 1. Add an element there of, let's say, a button. Test. and add another text box there again. That's how it is. That's pretty much in how to create websites. To further understand elements and such and what you can add on, just you can play around yourself, or I would recommend going to the Fusion Builder website itself to go, which goes in depth which one these ones individuals, because there are multiple ones that I cannot go through by itself, as there are too many to go through. Just the basic ones are images, text box, and I think title as well. So what title is basically just a title of a element. So it's already specifically at heading 1. It's title. You can also change the designs by choosing which one it is. The font size, if you don't want to use the basic 20 default size, and you can also change the tile alignment, the alignment of that block or tile. And just press save, and then it's added on. There's also what we called a separator. It's just basically a line for titles, so just put none. Just publish that if needed to, or you can save as drafts. You can come back and edit, but you won't be able to view it. It's better off to publish that and just preview changes. Thing is, again, this isn't added on to the navigation, so people won't be able to find it easily. But yeah, there it is. It's added on. Actually, one important bit as well is to keep this as a 100% width website. Keeping it as 100% width will give you full utilization of this width of that thing for a desktop, let's say that. So let's see the spaces there. It's not fully utilized, so we have to change it to 100% width. And there you go. It uses the whole size. So, yeah, that's pretty much it with this tutorial. Thank you very much.